You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
There are rumors that the actress Ronke Odusanya and the daddy of her girl Jago are not alright. Media reports circulated through Lover, an Instagram blogger, says that the actress, with the aid of barrister Festus Keyamo, is fighting for her daughter's sole custody in order to stop her estranged lover going anywhere near her and the baby. Ronke Odusanya is also seeking a restraining order. The Yoruba movie star was said to have coerced Jago, so he sold 3 out of his 4 cars to pay her bills. In addition, it was also revealed that Ronke advised Jago to sell his house, worth 90 million, in order for her to set up a big, classy business, but Jago's mother prevented her from achieving her goals. Ronke Odusanya, a Nollywood star, broke her silence on charges of financially and emotionally wrecking her baby dad. Remember that a controversial blogger known on Instagram as Gistlover accused the mother of one a few days ago of forcefully making her baby daddy sell his assets so that she could get enough money from him. However, the refusal of her baby daddy to sell his remaining assets made Ronke file a restraining order to prohibit her estranged lover from coming anywhere near her and the baby. In response to this, Ronke took the accusation to Instagram to deny them.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.